Gentlemen, let's talk honestly for a moment. After 50, something changes. Not all at once, not overnight, but slowly, quietly, almost politely. Potency isn't as automatic. Stamina feels less dependable. Your body hesitates where it once responded without question, and most men chalk it up to age. But what if I told you the issue you're noticing is not a hormonal failure, not a permanent decline, and not something that must be managed forever with pills? What if the real issue is a mechanical bottleneck, a physical choke point in your core anatomy that almost no one ever teaches men to care for? And what if activating that spot for just 1 minute a day could help improve blood flow to the entire pelvic region, relieve nerve compression that dulls sensation, release deep tension that quietly sabotages response, ease lower back and hip stiffness, and restore a sense of bodily confidence that feels familiar again? I know that sounds almost too simple. So stay with me, because today I'm going to walk you through why this spot matters, why age makes it more important, not less, the exact mistakes that stop it from working, and a safe, practical, doctor-guided way to use it without discomfort or embarrassment. Before we begin, take a second to like this video, subscribe, and drop a comment below telling me where you're watching from. This channel exists because men deserve honest, respectful conversations about their health without shame. Here's the myth that hurts men the most. If performance declines after 50, it's just age. That belief convinces good men to surrender long before their bodies actually need to. The truth? Most decline is gradual, mechanical, and reversible. What you're experiencing is rarely a switch flipping off. It's more like a traffic jam forming slowly at the most important intersection in your body. Blood still flows, but not freely. Nerves still signal, but not clearly. Muscles still work, but they're locked in tension. And all three of those issues intersect at one overlooked area. When that area is tight, compressed, and stagnant, blood flow slows, sensation dulls, response becomes inconsistent, confidence erodes quietly. This is not a failure of masculinity, it's a maintenance issue. My name is Dr. Jocelyn. For the past 5 years, I've worked closely with men navigating changes in vitality, circulation, confidence, and comfort, especially after 50. And I want you to hear this clearly. You are not broken. You are a complex system that has never been taught proper upkeep. Over and over, men sit across from me and say, "Doctor, I don't feel like myself anymore." They don't want quick fixes. They want understanding. They want dignity. They want control. This technique is something I share as daily maintenance, not a miracle cure, because when men care for the mechanics, the biology follows. When potency becomes inconsistent, 3 things are almost always involved. Let's break them down. Number 1, the vascular issue: stiff, sluggish blood flow. Biologically, firmness is mostly about blood volume and speed. The arteries supplying the pelvic region pass directly through the core of the pelvis. Years of sitting, stress, inflammation, and tension cause those vessels to stiffen. Think of it like old plumbing. Water still flows, but pressure drops and response slows. Emotionally, this creates hesitation and anxiety, which further restricts blood flow. Number 2, the muscular issue: chronic pelvic floor tension. Most men assume weakness is the problem. In reality, many men have pelvic floor muscles that are tight and weak at the same time. Constant clenching from stress and posture compresses blood vessels, nerves, lymphatic flow. Practically, this means blood arrives late, or not fully. Emotionally, the body never fully relaxes, and relaxation is essential for response. Number 3, the neurological issue: compressed signaling. The pudendal nerve carries sensation and response signals. When muscles around it are tight, the signal becomes delayed or muted. Men often notice this first as reduced sensitivity, a feeling of disconnection, less feedback from the body. That loss of sensation quietly damages confidence. There is one anatomical area where arteries pass, pelvic floor muscles intersect, key nerves travel. Releasing this area gently and consistently helps all 3 systems at once. That's why this technique works when done correctly. Most men who try self-massage quit not because it doesn't work, but because they do one of these things wrong. Mistake number 1, using too much force. More pressure does not equal better results. Biologically, aggressive pressure inflames nerves and tissue. Practically, soreness means you've gone too far. Emotionally, pain creates avoidance. The correct pressure feels therapeutic, not punishing. Mistake number 2, skipping oil. Dry friction irritates skin and limits depth. Certain natural oils carry anti-inflammatory compounds that enhance circulation. No oil equals half the benefit lost. Mistake number 3, inconsistency. 1 minute, once in a while, does nothing. Your body responds to daily signals, not occasional effort. Expect relaxation in 7 to 10 days, noticeable change in 4 to 6 weeks. Mistake number 4, awkward positioning. Straining your body tightens the very muscles you're trying to relax. Comfort equals effectiveness. Mistake number 5, treating it like a performance button. Doing this only right before intimacy creates pressure and anxiety. This is maintenance, not a switch. The spot is called the perineum. It's the soft area between the base of the scrotum and the tailbone. When you gently press, it may feel tender, slightly different than surrounding tissue. That tenderness is tension, not damage. This area sits directly above key pelvic floor muscles, major blood vessels, important nerve pathways. Position: lie on your back, knees bent, or sit on the edge of a chair, feet flat, knees open. Oil: choose one. Castor oil, deep anti-inflammatory. Black seed oil, circulation support. Coconut oil as a gentle base. The technique: 1. Apply oil 5 seconds, warm the area gently. 2. Gentle pressure, 5 seconds. Firm but comfortable like pressing a ripe tomato. 3. Slow circles, 30 seconds. Small circles, steady breathing. 4. Press and release, 20 seconds. Press for 5 seconds, release for 5 seconds, 2 to 3 cycles. 5. Deep breath, 5 seconds. Let the area relax fully. That's it. Do this once daily. Best times: after a shower or before bed. Drink water daily, stretch hips gently, breathe slowly during the massage. This works best when your nervous system feels safe. Men don't talk about this because they think they're alone. You're not. The quiet stress, the loss of confidence, the fear of inconsistency, those are emotional burdens, not failures. Choosing to care for your body is not weakness, it's leadership. Gentlemen, you maintain your car, you service your home, you show up for everyone else. This is 1 minute a day to show up for yourself, not to chase youth, but to preserve comfort, confidence, and control. Try this for 30 days. Notice sleep, sensation, comfort, confidence. If this helped you, like, subscribe, and share it with another man who needs hope, not hype. I'm Dr. Jocelyn, and I'll see you in the next conversation, because aging is inevitable, decline is not.